The camera dives into a cold, metallic tank where a massive sturgeon slowly rises toward the surface. Under clinical lights, its prehistoric armor glimmers like polished stone. A technician approaches, scanning its body with a digital sensor, tracking movement and health levels. Hands lift the fish carefully, revealing textures, scars, and its powerful weight. Every inch of this animal shows how ancient and valuable it is, a living relic protected for one extraordinary purpose. Inside the facility, sturgeons live in engineered river environments where water is purified every hour. Technicians watch them from elevated platforms, adjusting oxygen, flow, and temperature. Workers sprinkle a controlled diet made from marine proteins, algae extracts, and essential vitamins. Slow-motion shots follow the fish as they glide in circles, absorbing nutrients that influence the flavor, texture, and quality of the future caviar forming inside their bodies. As the sturgeons grow, daily monitoring intensifies. Ultrasound sessions reveal the roe clusters developing deep within the ovaries. A mature female is lifted using padded slings to avoid stress. Technicians use warm water sprayers and gentle handling to keep the fish calm. The ultrasound screen displays shimmering eggs that look like tiny galaxies. This is the moment experts determine readiness, a delicate balance between biology, timing, and precision. In the extraction chamber, everything moves slowly and deliberately. Specialists place the sturgeon on a cushioned platform, and the roe is removed with surgical accuracy. The eggs spill gently into a chilled steel basin, like black beads rolling over ice. Each pearl is intact, firm, and glossy. Workers separate impurities with soft brushes, inspect color under magnification, and discard any damaged egg. Every motion protects the purity and value of the future caviar. Next comes the ancient process of curing. Salt is sprinkled in precise gram measurements, mixed by hand in circular motion. The pearls absorb flavor, enhancing their natural marine profile. Technicians test firmness and sheen before packing them into iconic metal tins. Each tin is sealed under pressure and stored in climate-controlled vaults where temperature and humidity remain constant. These small containers now hold one of the world's most luxurious foods. Refrigerated trucks transport the caviar under strict security. Every shipment is tracked with thermal sensors and monitored in real time. High-end distributors receive the tins like precious artifacts, checking weight, density, and aroma. When they reach Michelin-starred restaurants, chefs handle them with white gloves. Under kitchen lights, the pearls shimmer with dark brilliance, ready to elevate dishes designed only for elite guests and special occasions. Finally, the dining ritual transforms the product into experience. A mother-of-pearl spoon scoops the caviar, preserving its delicate flavor. The pearls rest on ice, glowing under soft golden reflections. When they burst in the mouth, they release a clean, ocean-like aroma that took years of care to perfect. A journey that began with ancient fish in silent tanks now ends in a single exquisite bite, a luxury shaped by science, patience, and centuries of tradition.